Welcome back to Rolls-Royce Info. The all-new Ford Fusion NASCAR is here, and it's built to dominate the track like never before. Ford has taken its racing pedigree to the next level, crafting a machine that combines power, precision, and aerodynamic excellence to push the limits of performance. This isn't just another stock car-up, it's a statement of Ford's commitment to speed, innovation, and victory. At the heart of this beast is a high-performance V8 engine, delivering raw horsepower that roars to life the moment the throttle is pushed. This power plant is designed for blistering acceleration, high-speed consistency, and durability, ensuring that the Fusion can take on the toughest races without missing a beat. Paired with a finely tuned suspension and an advanced aerodynamic package, this car grips the track with precision, giving drivers complete control at mind-blowing speeds. Ford's engineers have worked tirelessly to perfect the aerodynamics of the Fusion NASCAR. Every inch of its sleek, aggressive bodywork is optimized for minimal drag and maximum downforce. The redesigned front splitter, sculpted hood, and enhanced rear spoiler work together to create incredible stability, allowing for faster cornering and improved straight-line speed. The result is a car that cuts through the air like a missile, delivering peak performance on every lap. Inside, the Fusion is all about function and focus. The stripped-down, purpose-built cockpit is designed with one goal in mind: winning. A digital dashboard provides real-time performance data, while the race-ready steering wheel puts full control in the driver's hands. Every switch, gauge, and button is strategically placed to maximize efficiency during high-intensity races. The reinforced roll cage and impact-resistant materials ensure maximum safety, protecting the driver in even the most extreme racing conditions. When it comes to handling, the Fusion NASCAR is a game-changer. The precision-tuned chassis and race-developed suspension system allow for razor-sharp cornering and incredible stability, even at top speeds. Whether navigating tight turns or blasting down the straightaways, this car responds with unmatched agility and control. The braking system is equally impressive, offering powerful stopping capability that allows drivers to push the limits without hesitation. Ford's legacy in NASCAR is built on a foundation of success, and the new Fusion continues that tradition with cutting-edge advancements that set it apart from the competition. With its high-revving engine, refined aerodynamics, and race-proven technology, this car is ready to take on the best and fight for the checkered flag. Every component, from the tires to the exhaust, has been engineered to extract maximum performance, making this one of the most formidable contenders on the track. This is more than just a car-up, it's the embodiment of Ford's racing spirit. The all-new Fusion NASCAR represents speed, precision, and an unrelenting drive to win. Whether you're a die-hard Ford fan or just love the thrill of racing, this car is a testament to the passion and engineering that defines Ford's presence in NASCAR. What do you think of this incredible new racing machine? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like the video. See you next time.